You are not successful because you are avoiding the work that will make you successful. Welcome to today's video. I am Yashvi and today I am going to break down to you that why you are not successful. See, it's not magic, it's not circumstances, it's not your talent, it's you. And may I ask you that why are you avoiding the work that will make you successful? Why are you delaying your meeting with your future self? Every day you wake up, you think कि I am becoming this, I am becoming that. मेरे को इतना पैसा चाहिए, मेरे को इतना successful होना है, मेरे को ये चाहिए, मेरे को वो चाहिए. But what are you doing for it? Please ask yourself, are you doing enough for that? Are you actually working towards creating your dream life? Ask. This video will show you your reality that you actually have the potential to be successful. It's not that you're not ambitious, it's that you are lazy. Everyone wants success, but when it's time to actually do the work for it, you suddenly become busy. Why? And busy with all the irrelevant tasks. You will scroll the Instagram whole day, you will go to that party, you will clean your room, you will check your emails. You do everything except that one thing that will make you successful. Why? Just because it's hard. And here comes the first thing, stop being comfortable. Do the uncomfortable. Once you start being uncomfortable, once you start doing the work you are avoiding, the things जिनको आप सोच रहे थे that they are hard, you can't do that, you can actually do that. Just start. And you know what, how this happened? Because you think it's hard and your brain will convince you that it's hard, so you should not do it. Stay in your comfort zone, stay easy. Why? Do that hard thing, make yourself uncomfortable. You have listened it a lot of time, come out of your comfort zone. But the question is, when are you implementing it to your life? You know that the hard thing is important, but you are avoiding it just because it's hard. Let me share one of my story. I am a full-time content creator on YouTube and Instagram. I am a student at Delhi University. I am living alone. I am doing an internship and I do it all every single day. It's hard, it's difficult, it takes a lot of efforts, but I do it. And in the same way, you can do all the things, you can manage everything, but you are not starting it. You can manage all the things, but it will all happen जब आप start करोगे. अगर आप कोई चीज़ को start ही नहीं कर रहे हो, बस सोच के बैठे हो कि हाँ ये तो difficult है, तो वो तो होने ही नहीं वाला है. You have to take that first step and trust me, एक बार वो first step ले लो, उसके बाद it's all easy. आप एक बार start करना शुरू करो, आपको पता चल जाएगा आपको अपना time कैसे manage करना है. I make YouTube video, I post videos here on YouTube every single week. I post shorts regularly. I post on Instagram. I am updated on my stories. I am a student. I also complete all my assignments before the deadlines. I do the test. I do all the required things. I am living alone. I have other things also that I have to make my focus on. I am taking care of my health, physically, mentally, everything. एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट्स नॉट हार्ड. अगर मैं कॉलेज आने से पहले यूट्यूब से ब्रेक ले लेती जस्ट बिकॉज मेरे को लग रहा था बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो गया, मैं कैसे हैंडल करूंगी, दैट इज नॉट राइट. इट्स राइट दैट यू हैव टू गिव प्रायोरिटी टू योर टास्क. किसी टाइम मेरे पास मेरी स्टडीज को लेकर प्रायोरिटी है तो आई विल प्रायोरिटाइज माई स्टडीज, बट दैट डजंट मीन आई विल स्टॉप यूट्यूब. I have to balance both, and you have to balance your things as well. The work you are avoiding is the work you need. For example, you are a student and now you are avoiding those deep study session. You are doing all the fascinating and shallow works like highlighting your notes but not solving the real problems. You are avoiding that subject or that topic just because you don't like it. एग्जाम में तो आने वाला है ना, तो आपको करना तो पड़ेगा ना. आज नहीं तो कल तो करोगे, तो आज ही कर लो, अभी कर लो. क्या पता वो एग्जाम में आ जाए और आप उसे अच्छे से लिख के आओ, वहीं पे आपके अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाए, आप उस एग्जाम को एस कर लो. Now, for example, if you are a creator, if you want to become a content creator, you are avoiding getting knowledge about all the important things. For example, learning the SEO. You do not want to learn how to edit. You do not want to even start just because people will judge you. You don't know how to post video, how to handle everything, how to make quality content. But that's fine if you don't know. But the problem lies अगर आप वो learn करना भी ना चाहते हो. आपको नहीं पता है, सही है, मुझे भी नहीं पता था एक टाइम पे, बट आपको लर्न तो करना पड़ेगा ना. यू आर अवॉइडिंग ऑल दीज टास्क जस्ट बिकॉज आपको उसे सीखने के लिए टाइम देना पड़ेगा, एफर्ट्स लगाने पड़ेंगे, समझना पड़ेगा. जब तक आप वो सब चीजें करोगे नहीं तो आप यहाँ सक्सेसफुल होगे कैसे? यू हैव टू डू दैट वन थिंग दैट इज स्केरिंग द शिट आउट ऑफ यू. If you want to start a business, you have to learn marketing, you have to network with people, if you have to learn new things, new skills, everything. बट अगर आप लेके बैठे रहोगे कि सब बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, सब मुझसे बहुत आगे निकल गए हैं, सब मुझसे बहुत अच्छे हैं, मेरे को सब आता नहीं है, तो ऐसे तो नहीं होने वाला है. You have to learn, you have to come out from your fear and you have to do the things. जब भी सुबह उठते हो, have this quote in your head that step out of your bed, do the things, own your life. After giving all the reality checks to you, here is a breakdown of how to identify and conquer avoidance. Number one is that identify your avoidance habit. Sit and think that what is that one task you keep pushing to tomorrow. आज नहीं कल करूंगी या कल करूंगा. वो एक टास्क क्या है जो आप रोज करने का सोचते हो बट करने से रह जाते हो. आप उसे करते नहीं हो जस्ट बिकॉज वो एक डिफिकल्ट टास्क है, आपको आता नहीं है, आपको उसके लिए टाइम देना पड़ेगा, एफर्ट लगाने पड़ेंगे. डू दैट टास्क. आप हर रोज पुश करते हो टुमारो के लिए. हर रोज आप सोचते हो कि आप वो करोगे. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग. आप रोज सोचते हो अपने हेल्थ के लिए कुछ करोगे, आप हेल्दी ईटिंग करोगे, आप वो चैप्टर पढ़ोगे जब तक आपको नहीं समझ आता, आप अपनी रीडिंग हैबिट सुधारोगे, आप मे बी उस डांस क्लास को ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो, आप वो कुकिंग रेसिपी बनाना चाहते हो बट जस्ट बिकॉज वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है आप उसे नहीं बना रहे हो. डू दैट थिंग. आइडेंटिफाई वो एक हैबिट जिसे आप हर रोज पोस्टपोन कर रहे हो. स्टॉप दैट प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन एंड डू दैट राइट नाउ. Next step is to commit to one non-negotiable task daily. By non-negotiable task, I mean that one task that is non-negotiable. Every day, do that one thing without any excuse, without any negotiation. You have to do that. उसको अपनी जो habit आप जिसको avoid करे थे, अब आपको उस habit को रोज एक बार तो करना ही है. If you are avoiding to read and to make good reading skills, read 2 to 3 page every single day. At least read one page. Start with learning editing. Start with learning that one small step. एक mini vlog बना लो, कुछ भी कर लो. If you are avoiding to learn that chapter, start. No excuse. कुछ भी नहीं. उस chapter को खोलो, अपनी book पढ़ो. If you are avoiding to do any task, if you are avoiding to start business, if you are avoiding to start posting online, if you are avoiding start doing that one hobby, that one activity, no excuses. Start that right now. It is not negotiable. You have to do it. Do it to make your present self proud. Future self तो अपने proud हो जाएगा, पहले present self को proud करो. ठीक है. This could be very helpful to you. Schedule that hardest thing in your peak productivity hours. जिस टाइम peak productive होते हो ना, उस टाइम वो hardest thing करो. आपको बहुत आसान लगेगी, आप उसे कर लोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कई लोगों का रात को एकदम दिमाग चलता है. मेरे पीजी में बहुत बच्चे हैं वो रात को 3-4 बजे पढ़ते हैं बिकॉज दिमाग ही तब चल रहा होता है. दे आर प्रोडक्टिव एट दैट टाइम. कोई लोग होंगे जो सुबह उठ के 6-7 बजे 5 बजे पढ़ते हैं बिकॉज उनका दिमाग तब चल रहा है. तो आपका उस हार्डेस्ट थिंग जिसको आप करना चाहते थे उसे अब तक नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो डू दैट वर्क इन योर पीक प्रोडक्टिव आवर्स. इसे एक तरीके से आपकी मीटिंग समझो टू योर फ्यूचर सेल्फ एंड यू आर कैंसलिंग योर मीटिंग विद योर फ्यूचर सेल्फ. डू यू रियली नो दैट हाउ एम्बिशियस हाउ सक्सेसफुल योर फ्यूचर सेल्फ इज, एंड उसके साथ ही अपनी मीटिंग डिले कर रहे हो. उसी को ही कह रहे हो कि नहीं आज नहीं कल करेंगे, कल करेंगे, कल करेंगे. नो, do that right now. Do it in your most productive hours. You will go with that flow and धीरे धीरे जब आप रोज रोज इन तीनों steps को करोगे ना, literally in few days, in few weeks, you will come at that point जब आप उस avoidance को conquer कर लोगे और अब आप रोज वो एक habit कर रहे हो जो आप अब तक करने का सोच रहे थे, वो एक work, वो एक hobby perform कर रहे हो जो आप अब तक करना चाहते थे. And इसी सब चीजों को करते हुए you are on a path of being successful and you are actually becoming successful. You are doing the work that will make you successful. You're not avoiding it, you're not procrastinating, you're not lazy, you are ambitious, and now you're actually working to all your ambitions. You are actually trying your best to ace. You are actually trying best to make your dream life come true. में आप अपनी dream life जियोगे because you are doing the right thing. You are now becoming your best version. Always remember that your goal is not perfection, your goal is progress, and through the progress you will ace perfection. Now here's the homework for this video. Comment down below that one thing that you are starting from today and that will make you successful in future. I will challenge you, do that every single day in your peak productive hours. Stop avoiding, stop procrastinating, stop being lazy. I am challenging you to do that one thing you are commenting down below right now in this video and doing that every single day. It could be anything that you are avoiding from so long and now you are all ready to do it. You are ready to be successful. And with that I wrap up this video. I hope आप लोगों को समझ में आया हो, कुछ सीखने को मिला हो, and I hope now you are going to do the right things and you are not procrastinating any longer. Start being uncomfortable and एक दिन ऐसा आएगा आप उस रूटीन के साथ इतना कंफर्टेबल हो जाओगे जिससे आप इतने टाइम तक भाग रहे थे, इतने टाइम तक uncomfortable difficult मान रहे थे. And yeah, that's the end for this video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update from my side to yours. I will be checking comments, so please comment down that one thing you are going to do today and what more videos you want to see. And yeah, that's it. And now I'm gonna meet you in this video. In this one I have shared that how to actually live your life. Start romanticizing your life and your life would be much more happier. So meet me in this video. Okay, bye.